New Zealand comes.
A tool which man has used to get another view of Earth. So I've got two activities which involves a great deal of construction, and that is building rockets and firing them afterward.
3, 2, 1.
And that they'll have a really clear picture of what's important in terms of values.